So I got this. I'm doing exposure right now. I have to eat this apple right here without rinsing it off, and it's because I have to hang up with pesticides and everything. All produce takes me forever to rinse it off, and it's just crazy. So I have to eat this apple right now without it being rinsed off, and what that creates is like a by eating the pesticide and all. I'm going to habituate, right? It's going to trigger me. It's going to make my anxiety go up to whatever it goes up to, and then I'm going to habituate is what it's called, where you sit with that anxiety till it comes down from whatever 10, 9, 8, all the way down to 1, hopefully. And then, so this is exposure. So yeah, here we go. This apple is not organic either. It's a regular apple, unwashed, from a scraggy ass grocery store, dirty as hell. But it tastes good. So my anxiety is going up right now. I feel like at a 6 or 7. And yeah, right now it's about a 6 or 7. It's not going up too as high as I thought. Afterwards, I'm not washing my hands. I always rinse off the sticky part off my hands or whatever. I'm also hung up with that stuff. I'm going to leave my hand sticky after this exposure too. So it's going to be 2 parts, I guess. I'm going to hit pause right now. Then I'm going to come back to this. I'm not going to hit pause. You guys can watch me eat this whole apple. I'm thinking about right now the orchards. How are these apple trees? Where do they sprayed? How does it look when they get sprayed, right? I think about all that stuff. My anxiety right now is like it's like a 5 or a 6. It's not very high. I used to have to take honey and from a container, right? Put it on me. My arms, my face, and go to work. I'd put it on me at work. And I'd walk around with honey on me. It's way stickier than this. To treat my ERP for things that are sticky. That's why I leave this apple juice on here, my hand afterwards, because it is sticky. And I hate sticky shit on me. It just really transfers the residue, one surface to another, is my head, right? So I've used honey in the past. Last bite. 5 minutes and 16 seconds, man. Hell of a view, fam. Don't you guys love watching me eat an apple? All right, I'm gonna wrap this up. My my anxiety right now is about a level 5, 5.5, something like that. My hand is wet, sticky already. I can feel it. Like it's dry. I'm gonna get it on my mouse for my computer and all that. And then yep, that's it. So I'm not gonna rinse my mouth or anything off. I'm just leave it sticky on me as long as I can until the next part of the day. Then whenever it gets rinsed off, or whatever it does. But I'm gonna have to spread this residue around. And then as far as eating the pesticides, I'm not really feeling like I ate cancer. Usually, because my OCD tells me I'm going to get cancer 10 years after I'm exposed to the pesticide. And I just ate the pesticide directly. I didn't even rinse it off. But I don't really feel like I ate it for some reason. Not quite feeling like I have it in me, in my stomach. But I still know I did it. But so that's it. All right, later.